vibe coding. So in vibe coding there are many tools. So what's exactly vibe coding? Vibe coding is a fastest way to develop an application. Okay, so here there are many vibe coding tools which can help so that we can develop an application fastly. So here I'm going to show you uh, a vibe coding tool known as Replit. Okay, this is a web-based tool, so which will develop our app based on the prompts. No need of writing any code here. Just select what is the type of your application and just give the prompts here. Okay, so I just opened this Replit. It's like a free based with some credits, and it is also a premium based. For students we have for some discount, and for other people it's like $20. Okay, so here on the left side you can see creation of the app. Okay, or if you have any code or design you can attach it here, and it will create that app based on that. So first I will show you a small app which I designed with prompts. Okay, here this is the site which I actually designed using the Replit. No need of any developers here, only you need some domain knowledge here. Okay, see here I created a clients site kind of thing where I can see the number of cases here, total cases, how many resolved, how many are pending, how many are overdue. Okay, so some filtering of the data here. All these I have done giving some prompts to this Replit tool. I have some reports also here. Okay, and also I can show you here the number of details, number of employees working on these claims, and some kind of attendance management system for these employees here, when they are present, when they are absent, all these things. Okay, when they are late, all these things I have developed using a vibe coding tool known as Replit here. So when you develop an application here with Replit, so it will give us the solution also here. If you see on the right side here, so if you see this right side, see this is a solution which you can download into your local, and you can further extend this application here, and also you can publish this application, and Replit will give you some kind of memory or server so that you can share this URL to others, and they can also view this application. Okay, so I will just try to show you how you can extend this application here with some kind of prompt. The first prompt I have written for to create this app is uh, create an AA app. Here if you see, create an AA app with an AA assistant on right hand side, and left side it will contain all claim cases. So this AA must answer about all cases. Cases will have info about case ID, case received, date, all these things are there. See, I just written this a small prompt, so it build me all the this interface here. Okay, so now I want to show you how I can develop a login page for this tool now. Okay, so I'm just writing a prompt here: create a login page for this app with user admin and password also admin. It must look more elegant, and background related to claims domain. Okay, so I'm just gave a prompt here. I don't know any programming here, so just give a English prompt here to make this Replit understand, and in background it will have some LLM, so it will actually uh, help building this particular design for us. Okay, so now it's optimizing its memory, and let's wait. So it is just will create the it will start actually. It's when it start it will show like thinking, vibing something, so that we can understand. So now it's giving some uh, it's creating, okay, some pages here. So let's see how much time it will take. So generally it will take some thing like 1 or 2 hours based on your prompts to build the tools for us here. And once the basic thing is built, you can write more prompts to make it more fine tuning your application here. Okay, so let's wait and see how it will do. Before that, okay, let it create the login page and everything now, and let's go to home and see how many frameworks or it is supporting presently. So here you can see you can create your own framework also, and apart from that it is also supporting many kind of other frameworks here. See, I think it's more than 100 plus. If you suppose if I type here fast API, see here it is supporting fast API also. It is also supporting Python, HTML. If I click this HTML thing, see it is also supporting HTML, CSS, JS, static also it is supporting. Okay, these many frameworks this Replit is supporting presently, and it may increase in the future also. So now let's go to that login page. See now it's created the login page for us now. So I need to add logout functionality. Let me update the navigation component. It is giving some suggestion also. Why don't you have logout when you have login? So it's creating the same page here. See this prompts. So now we can see this login page. Okay, let's admin. Okay, now the thing is ready for us. Sign in. See now we are able to open our application now. Okay, so we finally have the login page also. See here admin user sign out. So again it is updating few things for us. So see here it is also testing our app. So great, right? So see here, so these kind of applications are developed nowadays using this Replit in many in limited companies. I think many companies will uh, take up this tool. Okay, there are other tools also apart from this Replit. There are Lovable and others. So it is testing here. Okay, let me sign out and see what happens. Sign out. See again I came to see this login page. Okay, so just give the prompts and make sure what are the features you want, and you will get this whatever application you can create here based on the technology. Go to home, describe your app, go to here, select what is your web app or data app, 3D game, general, agents, automation. You can also create something like this, everything. Okay, and also you can see these frameworks. Okay, so try to uh, have a give it a try. Take a free account in this Replit and try to create a small application, and then you will know how this AA is improving day by day. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.